How to fix iOS 18 stuck on updated requested in iPhone and iPad. Let's get started. A weak or unstable internet connection may cause the update to get stuck on update requested. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Open your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and server data. Next, restart your iPhone. For that, navigate to the option of General. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option of Shutdown. You'll get the slider. Slide that icon to the right. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next, you can check Apple server status. Sometimes Apple servers may be experiencing downtime, causing the update requested issue. Launch your preferred browser and head over to the Apple status page. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they are back online. Next up, what you can do is check your iPhone storage. Lack of available storage can cause the update to stall. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Also, you can cancel and retry the update. Here you're gonna find the iOS update file. Just delete that file. Then you can head back. Click on Software Update, and from here you can again start the update process. Next up, reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can resolve issue with the Wi-Fi or network connectivity. Head back. Scroll down, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and select the option Reset Network Settings. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is force restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If still issue persists, after trying all these steps above, it may be necessary to contact Apple support for further assistance or visit an Apple store for help. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your iPhone or iPad being stuck on update requested when updating to iOS 18. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.